So today's video is going to be showing you how I'm going to remove my carrier bearing off my drive shaft. Now it's a pretty simple procedure, especially if you got a bearing tool. I'll show you what this tool kit looks like because I done got everything out. But I figure I'll make you this helpful video because that's what I like doing, making helpful videos. But you get these things in the kit that you can connect to length, and they screw in right here on each side. So I'm going to go ahead and screw these in, then I'll show you what's next. I will add, you will have to remove your rubber carrier part and your rubber bushing part off this in order to do this. You might can do it with it on, but I highly doubt it. The kit also comes with this, and they just fit in like so. So guys, the next part, this section of the video, I had to put this in here because it didn't record. But basically what you do is you put something on your drive shaft to keep from going in that little hole, because when you tighten that could mess that up. Just put your plate of steel or something right there. Tighten that bearing puller up on that piece of steel. You can take a punch, drive a little nipple in it, and it'll stay still. Tighten it and it'll pull it right off. So let's finish the video up. So this is the pretty well the carrier off. Pretty simple. And as I said before, these dents happen when it got tossed, and you can see where the concrete hit it. I ain't too worried about that, because if you see a shit box of a weld here, this drive line was actually extended a little and made. This is actually on a tow truck of mine. And yeah, it just came off that simple and that easy. That's actually a piece of steel from the backing plate the weld got on it. They must actually just welded this solid to it. But it come off quite easy with that puller. Now if you throw a little bit of heat on this before you hook that puller, if you're having trouble getting it off, it'll come off just like butter. I did this in cold. But if yours is fighting you, take a little blowtorch or just a little torch, heat that up super good, come right off. So when installing the new one, on a factory one, it does have front and back. These don't matter which way it goes, they identical. These ones I'm using here today, I'll get you that part number in just a minute. This is the part number right here. It's 6038, and it's made in China. So you could reuse your factory shield. Mine was damaged before I even started, so I'm going to leave it off. Might actually help it balance better, who knows. And this just goes on just like so, and taps down, and then you got it. So I'm going to go ahead and drive this down there with a piece of pipe, and then we go from there. Dust shields do not work on this application, so I know you see me try and use them, but this is what we got. I just used a pipe and set down on the inner side of this, a big long piece of pipe, and tapped it on. It went on extremely easy. It spins great, and it should do just fine. Now, I do got a couple dents, you know, that's what was damaged, and hopefully it does good. If it gives me any trouble, I can just get a drive line made. It's steel tubing, a couple $100 balance and everything, because you know this ain't properly balanced with a weld like this. But I'm thinking it won't affect it, because too bad, because it's so close to the carrier. Shouldn't anyway. If it does, as I said, we can address it. We know it's a drive line vibration, and it's caused by this section. So if you found this video helpful, my hands are dirty, be sure to drop a like. As always, leave a comment, show your support for the channel by leaving a subscribe. Appreciate it if you do, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching this helpful do-it-yourself how-to video.